Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some traditional Jamaican stewed chicken. If this is something that you're interested in learning how to make the way how I make it, then stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
So these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. I have here some pimento berries or allspice, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 stalks of scallion, and 1 small onion.
And no tomato.
I have some onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, some catch a fire all-purpose seasoning, some catch a fire blackening seasoning, red pepper flakes, scotch bonnet pepper powder, and some dry thyme. No tomato yet, babe.
So what do I say? And I pepper that?
No, that is onion powder.
Oh.
My chicken is already cut and washed with vinegar and water. I already explained the spices here earlier in the video. I have a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to just pour it over the chicken. We're going to start our seasoning process. Just combine everything. So now I'm just going to cover this and put it in the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours, and then we'll start cooking. Alright, we're going to start browning up our chicken now. I'm gonna light the stove. I have 2 tablespoons of oil here. I'm just gonna add that to the pot. That should be enough to brown up chicken. So we're gonna let the oil heat up, and then we'll start placing our chicken in the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken now. So you want to make sure you remove the seasoning from the chicken before you add it to the pot. So the onions and stuff, you're not going to brown that up. I'm just gonna turn these pieces now so the other side can get brown. So I already removed the first batch of chicken, and I'm just waiting on the last few pieces to finish browning, and then I'm going to add everything back to the pot with the seasoning and stuff, and we'll start our cooking down process. Okay, I'm going to add the chicken and the seasonings back to the pot. add that much water. I'm gonna cover and let the chicken cook. The next 20 minutes, I'll check back. So it's about 10 minutes now since the chicken, I added the water. This is what our chicken is looking like. So I'm gonna add some more water to that because this is looking like gravy and not ready yet. So I'm gonna add some more water and then cover the chicken and cook for another 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna check my chicken now. So it has been for 30 minutes. Gravy is ready. Chicken is ready. And there you have it, guys. Our traditional brown stew chicken, just regular seasoning, fry up, and then you cook it down. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.